We have cardinals and all kinds of birds out here pecking the ground, trying to snack. We are, I think cardinals are just beautiful birds. I don't know where he just went to, but oh, there's a bluebird up in the tree. I don't know if I'm, he's up there somewhere. I hope that's him. Come back down here to these little birds. They're just everywhere around here. First of all, the neighbor has bird feeders over there. There's some up front. All the neighbors around here have bird feeders, so we have birds everywhere.